everyone, so now we're back and now I'm going to give you more tips about IELTS. So ngayon, I'm going to give you tips for listening test. So if you are new to my channel, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. Ngayong araw na ito ay didiscuss ko naman o magbibigay ako ng tips about listening test. So sa listening test, kontrolado mo kung ano yung magiging score mo. Kasi wala kang kailangang isipin. So, ang kailangan mo lang talaga dito ay skills. Okay? Listening skills. Kaya kailangan mong i-develop ang iyong listening skills. So, magbibigay ako ng 9 na tips gaya nga ng sinabi ko. So, number 1 tip ay when there's a problem with the audio, okay, you cannot hear it properly, please tell your proctor and don't be shy. Kapag hindi mo marinig, kailangan mo sabihin agad-agad dun sa examiner. Kasi kapag hindi mo sinabi, you'll lose the chance of passing your exam. Number 2, in the preparation period, you'll be given a chance to read the questions. Babasahin mo muna kasi yung questions. Bibigyan ka nila ng ilang minuto para basahin yan. And by the way, I'm talking about paper and pencil test. So, kapag computer-based ka kasi, hindi ka na nila bibigyan ng chance. Kapag pinakinggan mo na siya, yun na yun. Pero, perks of doing your exam through computer-based kasi nakikita mo na lahat yung questions. So, mas madali siyang sagutin. So, kapag nakita mo yung question, narinig mo na yung sagot, click mo na. Then, narinig mo na naman yung question kahit na wala pa doon sa number na yon, narinig mo na yung question, narinig mo na yung sagot, click mo na. Ganun sa computer-based. Pero kapag paper and pencil kasi, bibigyan ka nila ng ilang minuto para basahin lahat. So, tip number 2, read the questions properly and while reading it, guess the answer. Try to guess the answer already while you are reading it. This will help you anticipate the answer. And trust me, it'll be easier for you to get the answer itself. Number 3, listen to some specific questions and you'll be able to predict the answer right away. Some specific questions. All you have to do is to listen carefully kung ano ba yung pinag-uusapan. In that case, masasagot mo na agad-agad or mahahanap mo na agad-agad yung hinahanap na sagot. That's tip number 3. Tip number 4. Again, this is for paper and pencil. Spelling is very important. If you are good at listening, then that's great. Pero kailangan magaling ka din sa spelling because if you're not really good with spelling, that's a no-no kasi pagdating sa IELTS. Kasi nagsusulat ka, you are writing your own answer. Computer-based kasi, kailangan marunong ka din sa spelling. Sa computer-based kasi, kasi sa normal Microsoft Word, pagka wrong spelling siya, maguguhitan siya ng pula. Okay? Doon kasi sa computer-based, sa IELTS, hindi siya maguguhitan. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. So, well, spelling is very important for both computer-based and of course for paper and pencil. If you are good at listening but your spelling is so poor, you would probably end up getting a low score. So please try to practice your spelling. Read your dictionary, read your thesaurus, read everything in English. English articles, news, and everything. Like spelling is very important. Tip number 5. You'll only listen to the audio once. So try practicing. Okay? Listening, reading, and writing at the same time is a must. Kailangan mong pagsabay-sabayin yung listening, yung reading, and writing at the same time. Meron kasi akong technique dito na ginawa ko nung ako yung nag-take ng IELTS. Ito hindi ito masyadong nababanggit sa mga review centers, but I'll be giving it to you later. After I discuss everything, ibibigay ko na sa inyo yung tips. Number 6. Be prepared to hear accents. When I took my IELTS, I heard a lot of accents. British accents, Australian accents, and American accents. Ang pinakamahirap kasi dito ay British accents. Pero, meron din technique. Again, meron naman siyang technique. And I'll be giving you that technique later. Number 7, okay? Just guess the answer if you do not know it. Pagka nag-guess ka ng answer, may chance pa rin na tama yun. So please guess your answer. Remember, there's no penalty for wrong answers. Okay? And you might guess the right one. So please guess if you do not know or if you are not sure about the answer. Number 8. Practice writing your answer in the answer sheet right away. Yeah. Kasi sa paper and pencil kasi, bibigyan ka nila ng time para i-transfer yung sagot mo. Transferring answer is a waste of time. Para sa akin, transferring of answer is a waste of time. So try, since you are writing already, okay, and you are going to practice spelling, okay, you are going to practice listening, reading, and writing at the same time. So, susulat mo na rin lang, sulat mo na agad sa answer sheet, okay, para hindi na ma-waste yung time mo sa pagta-transfer. Number 9, last one, okay, number 9. Concentrate as much as you can. You need concentration. Since you are going to listen, you're going to read, and you are going to write at the same time. Try to concentrate as much as you can. Kapag ka nawala ka yung concentration mo at hindi ka focus, malamang sa malamang mali yung maririnig mo at mali yung maisasagot mo. Now, I'll be going to give you the tips that I'm telling you about. Say, for example, for the accent, okay? What if ang napakinggan mo is Australian accent, American accent, or British accent? Mahirap yung maintindihan. Especially for us na hindi masyadong nakakarinig sa mga ganong accent. Okay? Now, what are the tips? Kailangan mong pakinggan yung mga stressed and emphasized words. That is already the answer. This is the tip. That is already the answer. So, if they are putting stress on such word, meron siyang 80% to 90% chance na yun yung sagot. So, di ba sinabi ko kanina, guess the answer. So, all you have to do is to listen very carefully dun sa mga stressed words. And, okay, that will be the answer. So, again, thank you so much for listening and for watching. Again, please share this video. Please share, please like, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video to those people that you know na magte-take din ng IELTS. So, again, that's all for today and see you again.